Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower choker. To make my flower I'll be using this satin fabric, which is quite shiny as you can see here. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side, and this fabric is 100 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. Now I'll make my flower. I'm folding this corner to that edge there, about there. As you can see, this corner is against that edge there, and I'm sewing that corner to that edge like that. And next I will join these two edges together with up and down stitch. So I'm twisting this edge with the other edge, as you can see here, and I'm sewing up and down stitch like that, joining both edges together with up and down stitch here like that, and it looks like that. As you can see, it's a little bit gathered already, and I'm continuing sewing up and down stitch as you can see here. And I'll repeat the same process till this fabric is sewed together. And here it is. I have gathered this fabric to approximately 80 centimeters. Next I'll form a flower. I'm folding this edge inside like that and sewing those edges together, and I'm twisting this flower pattern around itself and I'm sewing edges there. Again, I'm twisting that pattern and sewing those edges very lightly so I don't squeeze the flower. So I'm sewing very lightly so the flower has a bigger shape. Repeating the same process, twisting that flower pattern around itself and sewing those edges very gently, as you can see here. Repeating same process and sewing those edges. This is how it looks so far, my flower. I'm continuing the same process, and this corner, other edge corner, I'm twisting like that and I'm sewing this corner to the side there, so it's nice finish. As you can see, it goes really nicely at the back. Finishing off sewing last stitches and my flower is prepared. Looks like that. Next I'll prepare this velvet ribbon, which is 29 centimeter by 1 centimeter, and I'll be attaching these fastening clasps which look like that. On each end of this velvet ribbon I'm applying hot glue on the end of this velvet ribbon, and I'm gluing this fastening clasp on the end there and squeezing that fastening clasp with pliers so it sticks well, and it looks like that. And I'll repeat the same on the other side. So here's the other side and my strap is finished. Next I'll glue this flower on this strap. I'm applying hot glue off the center of this strap and I'm gluing this flower on top. As you can see, it's a little bit off the center and pressing it quite hard so it sticks well. Next I'll glue this felt circle piece at the back of the flower there to hide all the stitching and to secure the strap on the flower. It looks like that. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. And my flower choker is finished. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. I'm Anita.